Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and appreciate you watching. If you're a longtime viewer, and I want to thank you for your patience. It's been a minute, as the kids say, since my last video, drone video, but here we go. I'm calling this Tesla Semi Factory Proof of Production. And what I caught, I have more video that I'll put in a longer full circumnavigation of the factory, but I wanted to focus this video on the BFD, the big freaking door, where all the completed semis will come out. And notice that they've got 6 semis lined up inside those orange barriers, and they've got room for more on the right side of the BFD. And there's a few partially assembled Semi Atlas. The refreshed Semi is called the Atlas. If you don't know, the original Semi was called the Arcus. And the interesting thing about these is there's 2 long range and 4 standard range. And this is very interesting. I have not seen them build the original version, the original before the refresh, the Arcus version of the Tesla Semi. They did not build even 5 standard ranges. So here they've already got 4 lined up and ready to go. Always struck me as odd that they didn't build 4, because it's 2/3 of the battery requirements to build the standard range. And until the megacharger, semi-charger network is built out, these standard ranges would work great for short range. And you can build 3 of these for every 3 of the standard range for every 2 of the long range ones, using the same batteries. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. More coming, and I'm going to get a nice cadence of flights. And thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below. There'll be a full, like I said, there'll be a full circumnavigation video soon.